Hey everybody, welcome back to Suzanne Subscriptions. If you're new to my channel, I make videos all about the different subscription box services that I purchase monthly, as well as different product reviews and hauls. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell so you get notified for the next video I make. I try to put those out every week. But let's get to the main reason you're here, and that is my Trunk Club box arrived. So let's see what I got. Okay, for those of you that don't know about Trunk Club yet, this is a cool monthly subscription box service. You actually can get it when you want. It doesn't have to be monthly. I choose to do monthly, but you can do it at a timing that you want in a schedule. But this subscription box service comes to your home in this cool, box. And I've had months where I have had huge boxes, and this month I kind of have this skinnier box with just a few items in it. But what you do is you complete a style profile online before you start your subscription service, and it really lists out your likes, dislikes, your tastes, your sizes, all of those good things. And then you end up getting partnered with a stylist that's going to end up picking out different clothing options for you. And so you end up getting this time I only got 7 items sent to me, but you can get numerous items sent, and then you end up getting them shipped to your home via UPS, and you get to try them on kind of in the comfort of your home, which is one of the main reasons I like it. And you have 5 days to try these items on, and then you have to ship it back. But the good news is that they provide you a shipping label via UPS, and then even some tape to retape it, and you should ship it back in the box that it came in. So it's really simple. And then you can either take it to your local UPS store, or you can have UPS come and pick it up from your home. So it's really easy. Here's my bundle. You can see that it comes all pre-packaged individually in all the different bags, and so I'm going to take a minute to unwrap them all, and then you get the little pamphlet for you. So we hope you made some room in your closet. I need to do some spring cleaning and sell some of my old clothes on Poshmark, so make sure to check that out too. I'll link that information below. But you get a little note that says, "Hello, Suzanne," and it really just breaks down, try on the clothes, tell us what you think, and then third, make your selections. So they make it very easy. And like I mentioned, you get the little UPS label to ship back, and then they give you 2 pieces of tape to retape up your box. And then in the inside, I won't look at it too close, but are the 7 items that I ended up previewing and approving online before they send it to you. So that's the other cool thing about Trunk Club, is that you get a preview of all the items that are going to be in your box, or at least the majority of the items, and you get to say, yes, I'm going to keep it, or no, I want to reject it. So there were a few items that I ended up rejecting just because I knew I wouldn't end up wearing those, and there was no point in sending them. So sometimes they send you more items. This time it doesn't look like they did. I think I ended up getting just the 7 that I already previewed. So we'll see when I start unwrapping these. But sometimes they send you more items and kind of surprise you, and I do like that feature. Okay, now that I've got everything out of those bags, it started to kind of remind me of what I previewed, because you tend to forget after a couple weeks. The first item is this black linen tee. It's called a cinch seam linen tee from One State, and it's got kind of cool sleeves on the side. It's very linen. I mean, that's very true, because look at how see-through it is. You're going to definitely have to wear a tank under it. But it appears, I don't know how well you can see this if the camera adjusts. It appears to be pretty sleek. It looks a little small, but it does have some give to it. So we'll try it on and see how it fits. Okay, then I got this cute, I really liked it online. This is a blue Vince Camuto, and I like that brand. This is a really cute blouse. It has this really cute detail on the sides, where it's got these ties and kind of cinches up your waist. So I was very curious about it, hopefully making me look a little slimmer. The only problem is that this got sent in a size medium, so that has to be an error, because everything else is a large, which is my size. So I'm kind of bummed about that, because this is $79, by the way, but even when you obviously can return it to Nordstrom if you like it and get a size up, but if I can't try it on appropriately and see how it fits, why am I going to want to have and purchase one to have sent to me in the right size when I don't even know if it's going to fit properly on my body? So I'm a little bummed about that, but I really like the color. Okay, then I got this green kind of another wrap top. You can kind of see it's got the wrap around the bottom. It'll look better when I try it on, I assume. But this one is called J. Crew Wrap and Tie Top. It's in a distressed fatigue color, so kind of that army green color. Size large, $49.50. My stylist made a point to tell me she liked this one, thought it would look great. Try it with a pair of pants that she also sent that I'll show you guys in a minute. I don't know, I've never had one of these wraps before, so let's see if I can figure out how to put it on properly and tie it around. And I'm not sure, I assume you have to wear a tank underneath, so we'll see. Okay, next item I got is kind of this ivory white colored blouse. Let's see, it says it's a wrap knit top, so you can kind of see the wrap that it does. It's from Babu. I don't know. I'm horrible at pronouncing those. And this is a size large, $49. And I don't know. In person, it looked a little bit better online when I saw it. In person, it looks really wrinkly. I wonder if this material is always like this. I'm not sure about the wrap. I'll try it on and see what I like about it. Okay, so this next item I did really like when I saw the preview. It's this kind of red colored tank, and it's from Soprano. And let's see, it looks like it's $29, and it's got this really cute bottom. I really like that. It's usually pleasing to my body style where it's not super tight around my waist, which is my pain point, the area that I want to try to cover properly. So this, and it has this cute little detail in the back that goes across and, kind of the V-neck shape. So I'm excited to try this one on. The last two items are pants. So this is a Vince Camuto. Let's see, it's a seam detail pants, Vince Camuto, black for $99. And these got a little bit of elastic in the waist. So I guess she's been listening to my previous videos where some of the pants haven't fit properly. It's also got a zipper down the side. So we'll see how these fit. And it's got all these different seam, like it says, if you guys can see properly, all these different seam details on the front, on the back as well, all the way down to the ankle. So that kind of seam looking detail. Hopefully it makes it, very slimming feature. I'm hoping. So we'll see. Then my last item, boy, that went fast, is a pair of suit pants in navy. So this is, they called it straight leg suit pant in navy for $158. The design brand is Lubin. So we will see. I'm not sure. They've kind of got some give in the waist, which might be nice. And they're that, definitely that suit material. So there's not a lot of stretch in the normal, pant leg, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, now that I've tried everything on, let me give you guys my honest opinion. I have to start out by saying I am not thrilled with this box. I don't know, I'm feeling a little bummed by it. Out of all of the 7 items, I'm not really thrilled with any of them, so I'm going to be really curious to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions, if I'm just not being open-minded, or if maybe they really don't look that well and don't flatter me. I'd really love to hear your comments, so please do that down below. So let's get into it. I kind of had high hopes for this blouse because I really like the sleeves detail, but as you can see, it's super see-through. I don't know if I'd want to put a cami underneath it because then it'd feel even tighter, because it is slightly tight on me. I suppose I could go up a size, but I don't love wearing a lot of layers in the summer. And I don't think the bottom was super flattering either around my waist. It just felt, not flattering. And I'm really looking, if I'm going to spend, $50 on up on a blouse, I really want to have it be that really nice fit where it looks tailored and neat. Okay, then there was this blue top that had the really cute detail on the sides, but as you guys can see, it was too tight. Though the medium wasn't like it was drastically tight, so maybe that's why she sent a medium. Maybe the large is too large. I don't know, but it didn't flatter me, I don't think. It made, made my boobs look extra big, I thought, and at work, that's not something I'm trying to, accentuate. And then it just, I don't know, it didn't look like it flattered me, even though it had the cute little ties on the side. It makes you look like you have a, that hourglass waist a little bit more than what you do. But it just didn't lay well. Maybe it was the pants I was wearing underneath, but I didn't like it. This green J. Crew wraparound shirt. I don't know if you guys can see in my video of my try on, I did not even know how to wrap it around. Like, I'm gonna have to go online and figure out how to do it. Look at the pictures again, because again, I've never had one and I could not figure it out. It just did not make sense. And it had these little ties, as you can see in the video. It had these little loops to put the belt through, or the wrap through, but I can't figure out how to do it. So I am just being a big dummy and I have no idea. So this one to me is definitely a no. I don't even know how to work it. Then we had the white or ivory blouse. I don't know. This one I felt was like too big in the chest area. It was too big and didn't lay right. It had all these weird little, I don't know, gaps and stuff, especially around the waist. It had this thing that stuck out all the time and I couldn't get it to lay flat. It was, the material didn't seem that flattering. It seemed kind of bulky. So I didn't like this one at all. Okay, then there was this tank top, which I was really hoping that would look good because I liked it. I liked the look of it. I liked the little frills at the bottom, but I don't know about you guys. Tell me what your opinions are, because I think it like washed my skin color out. I know I'm kind of not very tan right now, and once summer kind of, up here in Minnesota, it's still snowing. It's April and still have snow on the ground, so I'm very pale than I normally am. I have had no sun, so I don't know if it just made me feel like I was really washed out. Didn't help me feel good at all with my skin color and tone. So I don't know. I didn't like it. I didn't like how big it was. The ruffles made me feel even boxier. I didn't find it flattering. So this is a no-go as well. Okay, then on to the pants. These navy pants, well, finally dawned on me why she sent me these, and they were just suit pants, is because last month I bought that purple blouse that I really liked, and it's supposed to go with navy pants. The good thing is that I had a pair of slacks from White House Black Market, and they actually work out really well, and they're a decent material. I don't love the fact that the pockets kind of stick out on those as well, but they look a lot better, I think, than these. While they did have some give in the waist, they just, again, I don't know. I thought the back where the butt is, I have too big a butt. These little pockets that they have look like they were super high, and then there's this big butt of mine. So I don't think they were flattering at all. So I appreciate the effort and the try to match them with the blouse that I wore, or I purchased last month, but these are not gonna be a buy for me. Okay, then lastly are the Vince Camuto black slacks with kind of that seam detail down the front. I thought these might fit well too, because as soon as I zipped them up, I'm like, oh, they're pretty tight hugging. They kind of keep everything that you want in appropriately. But I don't think these were very flattering either, especially in the crotch area. They just seemed more baggier. I don't know. I don't know if I'm being too picky and I'm kind of bummed by all the other items not working, and this was my last item. But I'm just not happy with it, and I'm not going to spend $100 on a pair of slacks that I don't feel work. I might just have to go to my closet and look at some of my old items. Kind of bummed about this. I am feeling kind of, is it worth to keep getting this Trunk Club box? I usually buy at least one item. This month I don't like anything, and I almost feel like none of them really were tailored towards me. And again, I don't know if that's just that I have to do a better job in giving feedback to my stylist, or, doing more Pinterest items, things like that. I might need to just do more work. I can't expect, pieces to magically come to me and all work out. I get that, but a little bummed about it. And I need some items for spring. We have a trip coming up in June. So there's all these things I want from these subscription boxes. I just feel a little defeated with this one. Well, thank you guys for watching my April Trunk Club unboxing. While I was 0 for 7, I'm still optimistic and looking forward to my other subscription boxes that are going to be coming in the next week or so. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified of my next upcoming videos. And then as always, please comment down below. I really would appreciate any feedback you have, especially on this box since I was 0 for 7. So, make sure to comment. Thank you guys for watching.